How to control iPhone with voice commands. Hello everyone and welcome back. So if you're wanting to control your iPhone with voice commands, you can use your accessibility tools to do so. So for this, open up your iPhone, go into settings. Once you go into settings, you're going to scroll down and then click on accessibility. Now, once you click on accessibility, you're going to scroll down and you're going to enable voice control. So if you go into your physical and motor, you have the voice control option. From here, you can learn commands like opening apps, swiping, or typing hands-free. So you can click on set up voice control and then allow voice commands. So you can click on continue, click on done, and then open up the voice control tutorial to go through all of the commands that you have access to. And just like that, you have voice commands in your iPhone. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.